Volcano erupts at Japanese ski resorts. One missing in avalanche. A sudden volcanic eruption caused avalanche to hit ski resorts. At least 12 injured as a meteorological agency has claimed that a nearby volcanic eruption in central Japan on the mount slopes of Kusatsu Shiran